I make paint, and being able to use such a large quantity of watercolour with big brushes and created the ability to make really big, large-scale abstract watercolour works.
So the thing I like about big watercolour is that you have all of the equipment supply, and it's very experiential, it's visceral, it's not about creating this and that. It's about pouring and dripping and just seeing what happens. Hi, I'm Mandy Evans, and I've been an artist now for over 35 years, and I have been teaching people abstract painting and abstract watercolour in the art garden in Beverley, Western Australia. I've had raving reviews. Everybody who's come to do a workshop has been really, loving it, and people come back all the time. Big Watercolour is a brand new workshop for me. It exists because I make the paint, and then, that's just led from one thing to another. And at the art garden, you've got the equipment here. That's what's exciting about it, because there's not many times you would be where you've got vast quantities of watercolour paints in bowls and the large paper. None of this is easy to acquire. But it's all there to play with, and it's very exciting new development. I think it's the future. It's the future of abstract watercolour.